party people, welcome to my channel. Don't beat me up, my favorite subscribers that be looking forward to a video. I've just been so busy, and then when I get home I'm so tired, and then I've been trying to catch up on a little TV because I haven't even been able to have that. Welcome to my channel, everybody. Just go right in talking. We have a Bombay and Cedar October 2019 box. I still have BoxyCharm to record. They're just sitting on my dresser. Have Ipsy Ultimate, Ipsy Plus, Glam Bag Plus. I have the giveaway winnings. I received that from Nikki a couple of weeks ago. I got all that coming, you guys. I'll probably do it on my next day off. What is in here? How y'all doing? How y'all been? Is it cold where you at? Because it's good and sunny. And like 95 degrees here in Florida. So yeah, if you want, comment below where you at, and if it's cool or freaking cold where you are. Wish I could have some of that. This is what it looks like when you open it. This month's theme. So each month, what is Bombay and Cedar? Well, Bombay and Cedar is like a luxury wellness lifestyle monthly subscription service. You can sign up for a month-to-month, 3-month, 6-month, or annual. I do have an affiliate link, and thank you to the beautiful people who used it. They reached out to me because some weird thing, I'm going to have to fix it in the comment box below. But a couple of people actually reached out to me. They DM'd me. Thank you, Miss Vicky. You're one of them. But a couple of others did too. And it was like, hey, the link is on. So I had to go in and get the actual code that they could use. And it took the $7 off from their subscription. So if you want to, I'm going to leave that information probably in the comment section for you so that you can get your Bombay and Cedar. I've been enjoying it. It's just a little shy, almost of $60, so it is up there. I'll probably get it, I'm thinking, for the rest of the year, and then I'll pause because I look at that value, you know, 50, what is it, 50, it's $49.99, and then it's like a $6 shipping. And that's what brings it to like 54 and some change. This month's theme is peaceful. So let's get into the theme. So the theme is peaceful. Each month you get a theme, and then the box is built around that wellness philosophy. And it says your peace depends on it. Peace can mean many different things to many different people. What is it that evokes the safe place for you? Does the word peace mean anything to you? If so, what is it? We encourage you to explore the possibility of inner peace by taking the time to see what it is that sparks the feeling of calm in you. We hope this month's box helps you to do that. It says helps you to do that. And always enjoy the team of Bombay and Cedar. And then, you know, the rest of it is a pamphlet, and it goes into the featured brand of the month and the price points and things like that of the items sent. I haven't been heavy on social media, and with that being said, I haven't been seeing a lot of spoilers. I think I've maybe have seen one. So here we go. Wow. Yes, I'm just walking in the door, and it seems to always deliver a day after I'm coming home from work, and it's sitting on the porch, and I'm telling you, I'm not stalking, tracking, or nothing. So I've been wanting to try this brand. This is Bobby approved. I do like the other ones. I can't think of the name, but this one is also Bobby approved. Let's see, guys. Let's get into this. I want to taste it, and I want to taste it now. This one is Himalayan Gold with butter-flavored coconut oil and Himalayan salt. This lesser evil popcorn is USDA organic, non-GMO verified, gluten-free, vegan, and whatever the U stands for, or kosher. If I can get into this. Where's your strength, woman? Okay, let's see. Got a little sweetness, just a little tootsie bit. I like it. Oh, look at this little gadget. See, I forgot all about it. Lately, they've been allowing us to pick one item, like a slight customization. So you'll get an email notification. It'll give you the options that you're able to select. You pick one. It's the link sends you to go pick it. You pick it, and then it's submitted, and they receive it. And so I've been liking it. You get a little teensy bits of a say-so. But this is a facial cleaning brush, you know, like a Clarisonic type of knockoff. And oh, it's so soft. The bristles are so soft. So yes, that's nice. I think I was able to choose between a scrub or a mask. So let's see what I went with. I went with the Dual Action Bamboo Acai Scrub by Tara Marie. Let me get closer. I do like that the brands they typically go with, majority of them I've either haven't heard of, or it's very, you know, health conscious. You don't, if you're trying to move in that direction and not use a lot of products that have, you know, a lot of goop and gunk in it. Look at the packaging. Very elegant, you know. It's got a little poshness to it. And then it's got a jelly-like texture. Almost like a little bit of caviar. And then you do get it smells so fragrant. And then you get a little spoon. All right, Tara Marie. Try to pick up the paces. I had such a long-winded intro. All right, guys. So we got some popcorn. We have a Dual Action Bamboo Acai Facial Scrub. We have the face cleanser, brush thingamajigger. Oh, pardon me, guys. Speeding. It's dual. Look at that. So on one side you have like a silicone bristle, and then on the other side it's like this cotton type of brush bit. So that's cool. I believe these are my essential oils. This is what I actually look forward to. This box, well, there is a mini. So I get the deluxe, but there is a mini. And the mini is around $26 or $29.95 with that same shipping. Ooh, Clarity Sage, yes. And Tangerine. I normally open these at the end, but, you know, hey, it's okay. We're all good here. A sage. Yeah, buddy. Oh, and it smells so nice. It's not overly herbal, but it smells everything smells so fresh and alive and awakening. I find that their essential oils are very potent. Wherever they're sourcing them from, they got a good supplier, because you can put it, like I just put this on like a pulse point. It really goes in, and I find the ones that I've used in that capacity or behind the ear, it actually served the purpose listed on the card. And the cards normally come in each box that gives you a better description of the oil, how to use it, and how to blend with it, other things that it could work and pair off with. So let's see here, guys. This Clary Sage 3% and jojoba essential oil reduces convulsions, relieves spasms, prevent bacteria infections, rich in antioxidants, reduce flatulence. I think that's fizzling. Regulates menstruation, relieves depression, lowers blood pressure, lowers inflammation, and promotes digestion. And it pairs well with lemon. So this guy pairs well with lemon, lime, orange, tangerine, lavender, pine, juniper, geranium. My teeth do that sometimes, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Sandalwood, jasmine, and frankincense. I want some frankincense. Okay, and then tangerine prevents sepsis, purifies blood, soothes inflammation, boosts digestion, relieves spasms too, acts as a tonic, helps maintain moisture balance in the skin. And this pairs well with bergamot, cinnamon, the clary sage, clove, frankincense, lavender, nutmeg, and neroli. I like that. I'm noticing this month the oils that they pick are also able to be good buddies, because sometimes you get them and they serve a similar purpose, but they don't necessarily be on the card as being friends to blend with. So these are nice. And our little sachet bags are starting to change month to month, so I also like that. Let's see, guys. We got some liquid filled makeup removing swabs. We get it. We got you. This is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free. This is also TSA approved, so this would be able to go on as a carry-on. Snap swab at blue strike, release makeup remover into the opposite end. Flip swab, apply, wipe away. The day. All right, almost finished, you guys. We have a book, a very hefty book. Let's see. It looks like my pages has gotten damaged a bit. Yes, it took a little bit of a hit with some water. If you can kind of see it yourself, how it's warped. And then as I'm trying to flip through the pages got water damage. Not all, but most. And it kind of smells like it. What is this, by the way? A book that takes its time, an unhurried adventure in creative mindfulness. Irene Smith, filled with hundreds of paper goodies. It's got 2 journals, 16 postcards, 40 stickers, plus pretty punch-outs, poster filled in lists, and dozens of hidden treasures. So I'll just message them. And then look at this. It says, using the cards in this envelope, write thoughts and insights you gained while reading the book. So you could actually use these and write any mind expansive thoughts that you've gotten from using this. I like this. This is like an activity book, and as you work your way through it, the pages has other bits and bobs, so it's got some discovery things going on with it. Yeah, I'm liking this. It's like books within books, activities inside of this. This is very broad and vast in what it's offering. So I will message them and send them some photos, and hopefully they can get me another book out. And it looks like we are down to the last 2 things here. This is Denka Studios, and this is an apron towel. Oh, I like this. It's making me think of happy days. Monday, Tuesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. I'm such a goofball. Yeah, because sometimes you don't want, I have one, but you don't want the whole full 1950s, which I got, type of apron. Sometimes you just need it to go like right around here, guys, like you're a waiter. And then the last thing here is a necklace, and that's the box. So let me give you the prices of everything that I've shown you. So the Clary Sage Essential Oil has a value of $14. The Tangerine has $10. The popcorn bag has a $2.49. It'll be in Whole Foods. That's about right. Value. This necklace look like you can use it as a necklace or a bracelet, and it has a $49 to $59 value. It's constructed with stainless steel and coated with an 18-karat gold or rhodium, something like that. This sleek staple piece will elevate your look. Let's see, the 2-in-1 facial brush by Almost Famous. This guy is $20. And let's see, in the mini box, they're getting an art therapy coloring kit by Sam Lohman. But the premium box, you'll get 1 or 2. So I could have gotten the mini Buddha board, or what I received, the Flow book by Irene Smith. I like this flow book. I just need it to not be water damaged. Let's see. I didn't get this. They're saying a terracotta grow kit. Maybe that's a part of the ore too. So maybe it's ore, the grow kit, the flow book, or the mini Buddha board. And then let's see, in the premium box only, you got your choice of the luxury skincare by Tara Marie, the tip off by Alliope or something like that. That's $8. The book was $27.50. The luxury skincare runs from $84 to $88. The tip off by Alliope, the little cotton swabs, those are $8. And then last but not least, the apron has a $20 to $25 value. So they're saying the premium box value could range anywhere between $222.49 to $253.99. What are you guys' thoughts on this month's box? Peaceful. When I look at these things, I don't feel that these things connect with what the word peaceful means to me. Peaceful means tranquility, but I find peace in different things. Sometimes I find peace in a particular genre of music, baking. I can find a sense of calm in baking, pulling a recipe from the internet, printing it out, and baking it with my little own special touches. Sometimes that is relaxing for me. Eating ice and watching TV, sometimes going for a walk. So to me, seeking that inner peace and calm can come in different ways. I guess they're saying maybe if you pamper yourself with a skincare scrub or a mask, and cleaning your face could kind of chill you out. Excuse me. In my case, I just said baking, so this is where the apron could come into play. You guys tell me, it just seems just a smidget off. Now, this book does seem like it provides and offers some extra stuff that you could do that could lead you down a sense of, because you're engaged in that activity, your mind wouldn't be focused on any distressing things or stressful things. Well, I had ran out of battery juice, but I wanted to come back and at least say be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, come back again, eating on that popcorn. And I enjoyed your time over here on my channel and your viewership. Thanks for watching every day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a blessed day.